Hi viewers, today we are going to learn about tenses. Tenses is a verb form that shows time. The tenses of a verb indicate the time of the action. Tenses are of three types. First one, present tense, second one, past tense, third one, future tense. Present tense are of four types. Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Simple present tense is used to express habitual or regular actions and the general works. For example, the earth revolves around the sun. The birds fly. Speak English every time. The structure of simple present tense is subject plus V1 plus object. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to express an action that is taking place or happening at the time of speaking. For example, we are going to market. I am teaching a poem. She is dancing. Structure of present continuous tense is subject plus am or is or are plus V1 plus ing plus object. Present perfect tense. This tense is used with just for recently completed actions. For example, she has gone to church. He has completed his drawing just now. I have read Telangana history book. Structure of present perfect tense is subject plus have or has plus V3. Present perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to express an actions which begin in the past and it still continues in the present. For examples, the children has been playing for 5 hours. Raju has been working as a teacher at Delhi since 2006. I have been trying for a job for 4 years. Structure of present perfect continuous tense is subject plus have or has plus been plus V1 plus ing. Past tense. Past tense is of four types. Simple past, past continuous, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Simple past. The simple past tense is used to express an action completed in the past at a definite time. For example, I received his letter a week ago. She resigned to job last month. Raju left Delhi 2 hours ago. Structure of simple past tense is subject plus V2 plus object. Past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to denote an action going on at some time in the past. For example, when I went to his house, he was reading. I was writing a letter last night. The program was coming to an end. Structure of past continuous tense is subject plus were or was plus V1 ing. Past perfect tense. The past perfect describes an action completed before a certain moment in the past. For example, when I went there, the MRO office had already been closed. When the rain had stopped, we came out. I had written the letter before he arrived. Structure of past perfect tense is subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is used to express an action which started before the time of speaking in the past and continued up to that time or stopped just before it. For example, KCR had been fighting for Telangana for a few years when KTR entered the movement. My mother had been watching TV since 6 o'clock when I came home last night. When he died, he had been teaching computer. Structure of past perfect continuous tense. Subject plus had been plus V1 ing. Future tense. Future tense are of four types. Simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous tense. Simple future tense. We use this tense to talk about that we think or believe will happen in the future. For example, I shall be 25 next month. I will meet you tomorrow. He will buy a car next week. Structure of simple future tense. Subject plus shall or will plus V1. Future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used to express an action that starts before a point in the time in future and probably continues after it. For example, I will be watching a cinema this evening. This time tomorrow I will be writing my exam. They will be playing cricket at this time tomorrow. Structure of future continuous tense is subject plus shall or will plus be plus V1 ing. Future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used to talk about action that will be completed by a certain time. For example, by the end of this month, I will have worked here for 2 years. They will have completed their beard by next year. He will have done homework by 6 o'clock. Structure of future perfect tense is subject plus shall or will plus have plus V3. Future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense indicates an action represented as being in progress over a period of time that will end in the future. For example, he will have been working here for 6 years by next year. I will have been teaching for 20 years next July. By next March, we shall have been living here for 4 years. Structure of future perfect continuous tense is subject plus shall or will plus have been plus V1 ing.